Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studio, and I'm using gorgeous exclusives as well as a simple vintage love story kit, and it is just stunning. So I do have a complete unboxing for this, but let me just jump in and show you the photo I'm using. This is my youngest looking so cute, and I was thinking about it. My first layout was about my older daughter. This one's about my youngest daughter. And it's one of those things that's like, these collections remind me of my girls. They are a love story. They are, like the greatest love story of all time when you are vibing on how fab your kids are. So that is my story about that. Now, I've got this gorgeous piece right here. It is called Forever and Always, and that's gonna mat my layout. I think that would be super fun. And I'm trying to decide, do I wanna come in with this one or do I wanna come in with the Aqua? I might use the Aqua for matting because it's bringing out her eye color really well, and I like that. So what I think I'm gonna do is mat this one on this one. And of course, gut this piece because it's so stunning, but I love to mat a layout, right? And then what I want to do is fussy cut out these tags and have them coming in on all directions as borders. I'll punch holes. It's going to be great. I'm kind of excited about this idea. Don't really know where it's going yet, but kind of excited about it. Maybe do a little scuff so I can have some differentiation. Ooh, and I also was really into making sure that I used all of these stamped images that I fussy cut out as well. I've got some plans, guys. So give me a minute to do this little homework bit and I'll meet you right back here. So I've got the tops of my tags placed down. They're not attached down. And I was thinking it might be fun to just do a band design because I just haven't done one in a second. And that will let me use up the rest of my little tags. So why the heck not, right? Let me go, I can always trim it down, right? Bit of a band going this way. And let's see, it's 11 1/4 is that mulberry color block. So I'm gonna do the same thing, scuff it up, and then I'll get all of my tags attached down. So pretty, I mean, come on, so pretty. So pretty, guys. Have you guys fussy cut this entire paper out? I did on my other one. Absolutely gorgeous product, gorgeous. So I'm going to do something quite similar to this. Tuck these guys in. We're going to go ahead also and, scuff it up. Now, wouldn't mind going ahead as well and matting this photo a couple of times. Let's see. This is a thin photo. Perfect. So I can go ahead here and use some of this very well used piece of paper to mat the photo first, so that will pop, and then pop it onto the yellow. Makes her eyes even more golden. Love it. Then, oh, but wait, I want to pick some of these gorgeous bits. I wonder if I can have them stick out in and among these tags because they are so, like if I have it there, and then I've got these bits up here, I can have a yellowy one. So pretty. Ooh, and then this mulberry one. Maybe this pretty aqua. This tone on tone one's not showing well enough for me. So I would have the 2 there, 3 there once again. Gonna have to bring this down. Maybe I'll do 3 this time. And just have them just, so gorgeous. And I can pop my photo there. Okay, I really like this. I need to scuff everything up. I'm excited. Bend this up a little bit after I scuff it. Get my photo double matted. Oh my goodness. And I'll meet you right back here. So I've got all of these pieces on, and now I figure the base is done and I get to start playing. Now I love this piece that I fussy cut. So I'll probably put my title here. And I have a small spot, so I'll probably just put her name, nickname, etc. Love this little butterfly with the word adore, so we can have that pop out there. Doing a bit of a concentrating on my, I like this little hello. I'm concentrating so much on these fussy cut pieces because I just think they are fantastic. I like hello, I like love, so we can have a nice piece of a visual triangle. But I also loved this Hello Gorgeous. That might be really cute right there with these, yeah, with the cork. So that will be my title. Fantastic. So, oh, now with these little ribbon frazzly bits, I think I'm going to come under here and just have a little knot going from each side. And the little knot will be right underneath the photo so that it shall be cute. And we'll bring in a nice amount of that black. So now I can move this to the side. Guys, it is so fun. I'm not going to use the trim this time because I really like all the busy, fun stuff I have going there. Let's see, I don't have any yellow or, well, I mean, I have that yellow, but it's a little bit more muted. So, okay, I like where this is going. So what I'm going to do is I want to get these pieces on that I just came up with. And then I think I'm going to just tuck in some of these gorgeous florals. I did a good number of butterflies on my last one. And I think I'm going to kind of go off with a bunch of florals, scuff them up, pop them up, make them even more gorgeous than they already are. So I've got all of these floral bits kind of placed down, but I don't have anything popped up or scuffed up or any of those kind of things, which I still want to do. I want you to be able to see a little bit of those tags, but they are disappearing, and that's fine. I just like layering. It makes me happy. So that's about the gist of what I want to do. I definitely want to get in some of my little gorgeous keys again. I even love this, and this is the packaging for the keys. And these faux enamel dots, or I don't know if they're enamel dots or not. And the other thing I want to do is grab some of these sweet little hearts, and also once I get these pieces in, use these as finishing touches, just like I have these other bits. So let me grab some. And we can have lots of hearts, and I'll probably hit it with a little bit of Nouveau Glaze, so all of these have a nice bit of shine on them. When I say all of these, I mean all of these hearts can have some nice shine, and that would be so pretty. All right, so I think, I have no idea how many I have, but I think that will be plenty, so I'm going to start layering it all up, and I will come back and show you guys the finished layout. All right, my friends, this one is done. It was fun and full of so many different patterns. We've got different textures with those metallic keys and the cork. I added a little bit of glaze on so I can get some shine on all of my hearts all the way down the page. Little bit of our ribbon detail, and that is that, my friends. So I think that's what I have to show you guys. I'll have a link down below where you can get your hands on these kits. I believe that they are $50 without subscription. With subscription, I believe they're still $40. And link down below. Oh, and I will add a few still shots, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.